You can do exceptional things when you remove the shadow of the doubt, when you pursue your vision with constant and persistent intent, for your intentions lead you in the direction in which you will go. You live in doubt, but inside you really want to know what is going on in this world and what's going to happen when I'm done. Well, you'll never know what happens when you're done until you start. So it's time to get up now and play your part. Stop looking at what others are doing and start looking in here. There's something you want to do. You've been thinking about it for a while. Well, let's get to it and don't let anyone get in your way. You have the right and the responsibility to pursue your dream today. Your vision. It's yours. It belongs to no one else. It's between you and your God. Because even that is personal. From your point of view, it all comes down to you. Now don't be selfish, because we all have to do it together. By making common goals, we can make this world better. But I can't complete your goals. You must pick up your tools. You must look inside your own heart and realize that it's a jewel. You have the power of order to plan and organize time, meaning it's not against you. You have the power to use your will, the power of the discernment to defend you, your yes and no's, the power of imagination to create things that have not been seen before, to create new realities and a brand new future, one that's not so dreadful. You have a gift. You have the ability to know, but that's only born through experience. So you must explore, you must get out into the world so you can then take in the information process through an experiment, the experience. True learning. Learning is growing. If you're not growing, you're decaying. If you're decaying, you're down, right, dying. But you're not dead yet. It's time for flying. There's no giving up. We're not even trying, because there is no try, there's only do. So get it done now. I know there's many directions and avenues. Which way should I go? So confused. If I go that way, will I lose? That's all just misdirection and a misguided perception. For as long as you go, you will learn, and learning is growing. I said it, that's just repeated. Take it back. This is the implant that's been seeded. It's been seeded. And it's also been sown. Do you see the pun? Sowing is like a fabric, meaning it's woven together. Seeds are sown, meaning they're grown forever. And it's just this thing that's worn. It's agricultural, it's this process. You and I coming together to reach the sky. That's all I got. A little freestyle poetry at Mark Drew Speaks. Hey, check me out on YouTube at Mark Drew. And hey, don't forget to check me out on the corner selling these shirts. Love someone today. Peace.